Jack here, and I've got with me the Beetles Gel Polish. This is the 20 Gel Polish Celestial Color Kit, and we're going to show you what it looks like once it's applied. I bought these for my girlfriend. We're going to show you the colors in just a second. They work really well with these LED nail lamps. There is not one included with this kit. You just get the polish, but if you bought a lamp and it didn't come with as many colors as you wanted, these are a great add-on to the lamp that you already have. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So in the box, you're greeted with an application guide. It's going to give you a little bit of instructions on how to properly apply the polish to your nails. In here, you've got your 20 different colors. I'll give you a little close-up of all the different colors there. Some nice blues, some greens, purples, whites. Nice collection for sure. In here, you do have a jar of, or a container of the foundation base gel. So this helps the gel stick to your nails. You're going to want to put that on first. And then 2 of the top coats, one that's a matte and one that is a clear coat. So up to you what you want the final style to look like. Now that we've gone ahead and looked at the colors and what's included in the kit, my girlfriend's going to use the lamp and a few different colors of the polish, put them on her nails, and we'll show you what that looks like. All right, we just finished. Those are the 3 colors that we used, and here's the final product. Not too bad for the first try, looking pretty good. Definitely like the sparkly glitter on there. That came from that color there. Awesome. Well, if you're looking for some at-home professional quality nails, I think the Beetles Gel Polish Kit is a great buy. Thanks for watching.